Hey everyone, this is Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2026 Volvo XC90 T8 plug-in hybrid Ultra. So this of course is the facelifted XC90. This new facelift was introduced in 2025.5, and then this 2026 model is basically identical, but it's just like the new model year of this car. And this one has the nice blonde interior, and you also have the white steering wheel with the white Volvo logo. I'm going to be getting videos on all the new 2026 XC60s and XC90s, and I've already uploaded a few on my channel, so be sure to check those out. It's just so you can see all the different trim levels and everything like that. And you have built-in Google Maps, of course. Google Maps in the gauge cluster too, which I really like. You have ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel in this Ultra. And you have the Harman Kardon sound system, but you can get Bowers & Wilkins as an option. I personally would go for the Bowers & Wilkins system because the Bowers & Wilkins system in Volvos are fantastic. Here's your reverse camera. You have a 360 view, pretty good resolution. You can see the full 360, sides, front, rear, and all that. For your drive modes, you have hybrid, power, off-road, and all-wheel drive. I'm going to put it in power to start. Well, actually, let's just keep it in hybrid for now. And then you can adjust the battery usage. I'm going to make the steering feel firm. It doesn't make that much of a difference. Just like very little. But I still prefer that anyway. You have this beautiful wood trim. It's like this light colored wood. Looks quite nice. And then you have this nice, very nice seats. Napa leather, very comfortable. They look good too. And you have a panoramic sunroof. However, with this white interior, you do have to be careful to keep it clean because, of course, you know, with the oils on your hands and everything like that. And also if you spill food and get the interior dirty, it'll be definitely hard to clean up. So you definitely have to be careful with that. We'll walk around the vehicle in a quick second. Let's just go through this parking lot real quick, pull up in a spot to go over the vehicle, and then we'll get out on the road. And the thing with this T8 is like I love the instant torque. You can go through traffic so quickly, also go through parking lots. It just like glides through and so fast. Let's go look at this car. So I really like the way the facelifted XC90 looks. I think it's beautiful. Like these daytime running lights look amazing. This thing looks so good. It's a major improvement over the previous XC90. That one looked good too, but like it was a design that was out for a long time. But this just looks so elegant. Like look how beautiful this thing is. I love the grille. And then these are the nice wheels and tires. You have Pirelli Scorpion tires. So XC90 T8 all-wheel drive plug-in hybrid Ultra, 2-liter turbocharged direct injected engine with electric motor, 8-speed Geartronic, 455 horsepower and 523 pound-feet of torque. $85,625 total suggested retail price. The Ultra will give you Harman Kardon premium sound, 4-way lumbar support, graphical head-up display, ventilated Napa leather upholstery. And you get 58 mpge, 27 miles per gallon combined on the gasoline only, which is not bad. And exterior is crystal white, interior is blonde perforated Napa leather. And here's the back of the vehicle. Other than the front of the car, you can quickly tell you're looking at a 2025.5 or 2026 XC90. But the taillights are different too, like they're darker. And it looks like they have like a newer lighting, like upgraded lights over the pre-facelift. Let's get out on the road. That's a nice 911 over there. Beautiful. Let's put it in power mode. Now obviously you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Like I'm telling you, these things are quick. These T8s fly. Like, look at that acceleration. That's fantastic. And you also have a wireless charger tray. You can see my phone charging over there. And the T8 Volvos are great daily drivers because of the balance between the gasoline engine and the electric battery, right? You have the ability to charge this, and you get it like roughly 30 to 40 miles, and then you can use that for like day-to-day driving, and you barely even have to see the fuel pump. Because if you have a short commute or don't drive too far, you can just plug, and you have a charger at home or a charger at work, you could just charge the vehicle, charge up that electric battery, and just basically use that. Another great thing about Volvo is obviously the safety. Safest SUV you could be in is a Volvo XC90. And I love this black and white steering wheel. It's beautiful. This two-tone steering wheel looks so nice. Very elegant design from Volvo. Very smooth ride, very comfortable. Like these XC90s are very nice, super elegant, just super comfortable to drive, and very nice. Like, this is the car you just want to be in if you just want to relax, just cruise along the road, be comfortable. up those bumps really well too. Very nice suspension. And I love the leather stitch dash. And you can get massage seats as an option. And on the XC90 T8 Ultra video I uploaded 2 days ago, that one had the massage option, and it was only like $600 or something, which is well worth it. I would do that. Yeah, I love that instant pickup. I would only get the T8 personally because I really want that. I really love that the hybrid powertrain, the plug-in hybrid powertrain, I mean, and instant acceleration and amazing torque. Those are very strong figures. But overall, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships at Grubbs Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own XC90.